Do you sometimes struggle to find the right word or suffer from writer's block? The truth is, all writers do at one time or another. MasterWriter is a powerful suite of writing tools and reference libraries designed to help the writer address this problem. When you're looking for the right word, MasterWriter will instantly give you all the possibilities the English language has to offer. One of the most unique features in MasterWriter is word families, a revolutionary dictionary that will open up a new world of possibilities for descriptive words that you will not find in a thesaurus. If you're looking to describe a hot sun and you want to replace the word hot, word families will give you a number of obvious choices like blazing, burning, scorching, and torrid, which certainly work. However, if you want to be more imaginative, click on Extended and it will give you a glaring sun, a punishing sun, a merciless or unforgiving sun. Now we're talking. The word beautiful has very few synonyms, but by selecting Extended, it will give you choices like breathtaking, flawless, unforgettable, and dazzling. These adjectives are not synonyms for beautiful, but there can be no mistake you're describing somebody who is beautiful. You can also search for specific parts of speech. If you want to intensify beautiful, select adverbs and you can say, she was breathtakingly beautiful, flawlessly beautiful, or unforgettably beautiful. Double-click to add any words to your collected list. Phrases is a dictionary of over 33,000 phrases, sayings, and word combinations. It's a great source of inspiration and ideas that allows you to access any phrase that contains your search word in an instant. Speech types gives you all the different figures of speech. Alliterations, allusions, idioms, metaphors, oxymorons, onomatopoeia, and more. Using filters allows you to be specific and efficient in your searches. For example, we can look at positive idioms, negative idioms, or between the two, neutral idioms. When multiple pages of results exist, the left and right arrows on your keyboard perform as paging buttons, making searches more efficient. Intensifiers is another one-of-a-kind collection of moderate and intense descriptive words with filters that allow you to be specific. When you're tired of using the same old adjectives, this is a great place to start. Like word families, this group of words doesn't exist anywhere else, and the filters in this category are very detailed, allowing you to collect several examples for the exact usage you need. Onomatopoeia is a collection of words that resemble the sound they're describing. Let's collect a few. The ability to collect multiple entries from every dictionary is another unique and important feature that gives you a number of possibilities to choose from when you're looking for that right word. The real benefit is not having to stop at the first word that makes sense. Surf all these different ways, collect as much as you want, and when you go back to your writing, you'll have a list of words at your disposal. The world is a collection of icons from pop and world culture which allow the writer to be more specific in their reference and descriptions of people, places, and things. Naming the river, highway, bar, or moment in history makes what you write more interesting and believable. A link to Wikipedia gives you instant information on any entry and is a useful source of reference. There's also a searchable Bible, Old and New Testament. You can either select a book or perform a search. In this example, all verses containing Jesus and love are displayed. Naturally, having a thesaurus and dictionary at your fingertips is a requirement for all writers, so those two are present. For those of you who also write poems or songs, MasterWriter has a comprehensive rhyming dictionary. Filter by syllables or search on perfect, close, and wide rhymes and phrases. With MasterWriter, all of the dictionaries search simultaneously, instantly giving writers a variety of choices. This cloud-based software automatically saves and backs up your work in the cloud, available anytime from any device. This is not an app you install, it's a subscription service that removes the worry of future compatibility and/or loss of data. With MasterWriter, all upgrades and improvements are instantaneous and at no cost. Start writing on a desktop or laptop and then edit on your phone or a friend's computer. Your work product will automatically be saved under the project title and will always be there exactly as you left it. Head on over to MasterWriter to try it out risk-free for 90 days. While a computer program cannot compete with the mind and imagination of a writer, the mind cannot compete with the word choices that MasterWriter will give you in an instant. When the two work together, great things happen.